We have a rich and varied season for you to explore next year, including the Canadian premiere of Anna Karenina, a co-production with the Hamburg Ballet and the Bolshoi Ballet, choreographed by John Neumeier, based on Leo Tolstoy's great novel. We take you down the rabbit hole in March with Christopher Wheeldon's spectacular Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. We present George Balanchine's masterpiece, Apollo. I am also thrilled to present an all-William Forsythe program in June, featuring The Second Detail plus 2 company premieres. In June, we celebrate the final performance of the luminous Zhao Nanyu after more than 20 years with the company. The Merry Widow, one of her many outstanding roles, will return after a 10-year absence in her honor. I invite you to immerse yourself in the beauty and power of ballet and subscribe to the upcoming season today. You can subscribe online or over the phone. Our representatives are standing by to assist you.